Hello, my name is Ruen Dario Gomez, I'm going to talk about the cultural event of Halloween from the United States. I think this is a fantastic holiday event that takes place in North America on October the 31st. I have chosen this cultural event because it has also become extremely popular here in Colombia, and we celebrated that day too. So every year when we reach the month of October, exactly by the last day, people start to prepare or buy costumes to try and look really cool, which means that during the evening, hundreds of people start to gather on the streets. Some go out especially together as a family with their children. They start to knock on doors and asking for candies, chanting trick or treat, wearing the costume of superheroes, monsters, or other great horror, action, or comic characters from the American culture. They go out along neighborhoods across the country. People also decorate their houses with pumpkins, artificial spider webs, and other items and images to resemble this tradition, like bats, skeletons, and witches. In Colombia, it's a tradition that gathers lots of people at parks, basically all over the main cities of the country. We can go out downtown with a special costume or simply go out and check the marvelous designs other people make. To enjoy the night with a wonderful moment of horror while you watch amazing realistic disguises, but you can also expect to enjoy from a lot of laughter due to funny made costumes too. It has become a lovely family tradition in America. It's just beautiful.